Hey everyone, I have really exciting announcement to make. I'm officially opening enrollment for my brand new 3-month beginner YouTube program launching January of 2026. This program is specifically designed for beginners and early stage creators who want clarity, structure, and a proven system to finally grow their YouTube channels the right way, get further, faster. So let me walk you through what's included inside this program. You will get 12 weeks of guided program that teaches you the foundational skills you need to grow without confusion, overwhelm, or wasting months guessing what actually works. You will get weekly live calls with me, coaching calls. They're kind of Q&A type calls where you bring your titles, your thumbnails, video ideas, scripts, niche issues, whatever it is, and I give you direct feedback live in those calls. Secondly, you get access to a private membership community for this cohort only, and you'll have a place where you can talk to each other and talk to me also in real time. So think of it as like your accountability hub so you're not growing alone. Third, you'll get access to my online course called the YouTube Freedom Formula, which is a course that walks you step by step from zero to monetized with YouTube, and it is included in this program. Fourth, you will get weekly pre-recorded lessons that drip out to you so as to not create overwhelm, first of all, but so that we can build foundational blocks. So every week you'll get one structured video lesson that focuses on a specific foundational skill needed to build your channel the right way. Lastly, you will also get a one-to-one onboarding call with me where you can ask me any question you have about YouTube and also get you off to a great start with this program. In general, we will cover everything in this program from niche clarity, audience understanding, video ideas, titles and thumbnails, hooks, scripting, filming, editing, retention, analytics, consistency, and the basics of turning your channel into a business if that interests you, because you do not need thousands and thousands of subscribers to start making money with YouTube. This program is perfect if you're brand new or you're stuck or you're feeling inconsistent on YouTube, or you've been posting without seeing traction because you've been trying to piece together all of the information on how to grow YouTube from YouTube videos out there in the world, and you just keep finding contradictory advice. This is a place where you get one system that works. I'm offering enrollment for accepted students of $2,900 for the 3-month program. Start date for the program, it will officially start January 12th of 2026. And the reason being so that we can get a little separation from the holidays, take a break from all the stress of the holidays, and then start fresh the second week of January. If you want clarity, structure, real support, and a proven system that actually works, I would love, love, love to have you inside this cohort. So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your application in my inbox. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great holiday season. Bye for now.